How to download Bilibili app on iPhone. First of all, open the App Store and use the search bar to type in Bilibili. In most cases, the app will appear right away and you can download it directly. However, if you don't see it, especially the Chinese version of the app, it means Bilibili is not available in your region. But don't worry, there is a simple solution. Go to the Settings app on your phone and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Then select Media and Purchases, choose View Account and tap on Country or Region. Here, select Change Country or Region and scroll down the list until you find China Mainland. Agree to the terms and conditions, then choose Known as the payment method. If it asks for billing details, you can enter any random address to continue. Once done, tap Next and your App Store will switch to the Chinese region. You will notice that the language changes, which means the switch worked. Now go back to the App Store and search for Bilibili again. This time you should see the app available for download. Install it as usual, and once it's done, the app will appear on your device. After downloading, you can return to settings and switch your region back to your original country by following the same steps. Now you know how to download Bilibili app on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.